Cocomi Students Front has appealed to the students and public to join the Manipur Kanba Khongchat public rally on January 31st to protect and safeguard the state. Addressing a press meet today, Cocomi's Imphal pod office, Cocomi Students Front convener Lukram Malangba described the ongoing crisis, which started on May 3, 2023, as an open war waged against indigenous people by Chin Kuki narco-terrorists. He expressed disappointment over the central government's inefficiency in resolving the crisis, noting it has claimed hundreds of lives, displaced thousands and blocked public access to national highways. Further stressing the need for raising collective voice against the central government's inaction, Malangba appealed to all students, including those studying in universities, medical institutes and players, to take part in the rally, which will begin from Thao Ground and conclude at Kumandam Park Main Stadium.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯦꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯋꯦꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯇꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯑꯃ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯖꯅꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 38, 2026 ꯊꯥꯡꯖ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ